Now those guys when they catch for America or when they say they before one night, say then they take people things, they join their own, they take conny, they collect people things. They say their cup don't full right now and Koti don't bust them. So now that one be the topic on one treat today. Hello guys, you're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today na your first time when you dey watch my video and you never subscribe, wetin you dey wait for? Make you subscribe so that you go dey get more video. Anytime when I upload new video, you go dey get message. You still see one small bell when you near that place when they use red right when they say subscribe, you go click that bell. So with that one, anytime when I just put new video, you go just get that message say I don put new video. With that one, you no go fit miss any of my video. Guys, try and subscribe please, because without your support I no go fit grow. Support me so that I go improve more. I need your support please. If you subscribe, that would be very nice of you. And for those of you that have subscribed already to this my channel, I say God bless you. God bless you abundantly and mercy. So let's go straight to the point. Those guys when they arrest, wetin make all those guys come be say na this one come be the lifestyle when they choose, when be say they want dey live? Wetin make am be say? Because when I see the news, the thing dey wonder me why e be say anything when e be say don get that negative name, they must call us for inside. They must call our name. That is, we no dey carry last. Why e be like that? I know say we get some good side, but why e be say any bad side they must call our name for inside? The thing na something wey dey wonder me. So when I lis ten to this news, when I see am the day when the something happen, I come dey think this kind thing when e come happen to these people. If you see them for picture for there, you see am women even still dey. This one na women wey e be say maybe they be mothers, so they get children o. Guys, the parents supposed to be good role model to their children. This na the lifestyle when you dey live, and as you dey do am now, your children they copy you. Tomorrow now they fit still come live this lifestyle at the end of the day. So I come ask myself this question. I say this kind thing when e be say dey happen, who they go really blame for all those things? Now because of the government, the bad government when e dey for Nigeria, abi na the parents na them fail for their duty? That is for their duty as a parent. Now im make all these people come be say na this kind matter. Now they come take am as profession when they come take dey live. So my own opinion na be this one. One, I blame the government because we get bad government. That one they no dey argue am. Everybody know say we get bad government for Nigeria. They no dey government, or they take things, they run things the way wey e suppose be, because everything when they do this our politicians, they do am to the way we go favor them and their family. So every man for Nigeria dey hustle. They hustle to make sure say they make am. Because if you say make you follow the normal way, you no go see anything for Nigeria. That's as Nigeria don dabaru reach. So na im make most of them they find quick way, one way or the other, when they go take make am. Even though say na school now you go for now for Nigeria sef, say you carry diploma, you carry HND, OND, or anything when they call am, e no too dey get respect for Nigeria again now. So if you see am, most of all these people when they do all these things now, this 419 when they do, most of them they get brain. Because if you are not learned, you don't know anything, you no go fit even do this thing at the first place. So that means they go school well, but they no fit use am do anything for Nigeria. You no get wetin you wan take am do. Na make most of them they enter all this kind fast lane when they choose now, when they enter. So that one are the part of the government. So if to say they stabilize things well for Nigeria, they arrange everything the way wey suppose be, I think say if Nigeria is stand well, most people no go dey choose this kind lifestyle say na they want to live on a way to survive. Another way wey I still see for inside when e be say e still concern the parents. Yes, e concern the parents. Somebody go ask me say, how e take concern the parents? They be small pikin, their parents fit tell them wetin they go do. Yes, they no be small pikin, but for example, we when you dey for uptown here, if e be say na here as you dey here, you dey do normal job, you dey do something wey be say no too dey pay you, na thing wey you take dey live, dey take care of yourself. Even sometimes for Africa, they go still carry their kaya come, na you go still take care of them. Before you take small for inside, take do their own, do your own. Maybe if you person when you don settle down here, get family here, before you come do those one own, at the end of the day na small thing na go come remain for your hand. So now them too, when you still dey house for that side, still dey Naija there, na them go still dey tell you, your parents say maybe Okeke come house, or I don't know wetin I go call am, let me use that name. He come house, he come as he just come and he never tell when he come uptown here. Now he don come Nigeria, he don build mansion, he don do this one, he don do this one. Whereas you when you be pikin when you don comot since 15 years ago, common land you never get, you never fit do anything. So that your parents dem go fit challenge. All they want na for you to come make you be like Okeke, make you come do that thing when Okeke do for house. Anyhow when you take get her anyway, that one no concern them. That one na your own problem. So far you can't do wetin Okeke don do to just make them proud for that name alone. But meanwhile dem no go find out wetin Okeke do when e be say just comot when e never reach 2 years, when he can't do, maybe he can't build a skyscraper, or he can't do one thing, do this one, do that one. They no go care. Oh, they no go care to look. All they want na for you to be like that Okeke, make you come build skyscraper, come buy Lamborghini, come do this one, do that for them. Some go even want dey take different title because of you, but they no even care how you take dey get that something. So I believe say still dey one thing when e lead to this thing, because those people they go want make am for house for self-respect, fame and different things, na im dey lead to all those things. So na so me I see for this matter. Because if you even reach Nigeria now, say small children, all of them don carry laptop for hand, dey do yahoo here and there. Any small pikin you see now, so far e don go school small, make it even know how to read and write. The next thing na this thing na im go face, because even the school dem no go gree go and reach ground. Dem go say even though dem go the school reach ground, nothing go come out at the end. Na waste of time. So you see the way wey all these things still affect both the parents and the society, affect the children. So the government dey get big role to play for this thing, and most of them na im make all those things. Poverty dey lead to many people when you still enter this thing, when e be say dem bin no get mind to live this kind life, but when dem come see say things don dey hard dem too much, things get, when dem see any link dem go join. So na so be my opinion, na so I see for this matter. E get one guy like that when e be say e dey, that is for hometown, that is when we know am like that, no be say na friend, but na neighboring person. When e be say dem get this kind poverty problem, him and the mother, this boy no get papa again anyway, so the mother him with am come dey read, dey suffer, dem come read, dey live for all this kind poverty. E get grades now, e get phase 1, phase 2. So these people na real grade 1. So the boy come see say the things e get as e be, and e go school small, that if e go secondary school e get brain. He come find link say im dey comot, say anyhow he wan go make am to come comot him mama for suffer, make e change their life forever. So even this boy, before he comot, even money to enter transport sef e no get. Na people around na dem borrow up and down when dem give am small change when he take enter transport. Come go one of all those neighboring country with the connection and the link when you see, he come go. I no come know whether na Ghana or Senegal or other place when he go. But meanwhile na African country, after some time e no even just reach interval for 1 year, na so this guy land. When this guy land, he come back to Naija, he come back to him hometown, him place when dem for born am, where mama dey. The town shake. Now dem know say person enter house see money. Na so the guy dey display. But meanwhile e no let him mama know. He say he no wan make mama know, he wan surprise him mama, he wan put him mama comot him mama for suffer. Na so this guy build house. So the house wey he build under 6 months, for person to set house don set for 6 months, you know how the person don hold reach now. Under 6 months he don finish everything, clean the house. He go carry him mama with him friends, with him group and crew members. Na so dem go carry him mama, tell am say he just dey land now, surprise. He take him mama reach there, he say this one na him house, as from today na this one na you go dey stay. In the midst of everybody, where him friends gather and everybody gather for there, na so him mama put him 2 knee for ground. He say, my pikin, I take God beg you, no take me do money, no take me do money. I no dey enter, I no know where you get this kind money. This kind money when you come, when e be like fire, you when you comot yesterday, it's obvious. Abeg, e no dey enter. Go with your sin. Na you know where you for get this kind money. Na you go still take your head carry am, how you take do am. He no fit pay for another, no come take him pay for your sin. The woman no gree enter. As dem do reach, the woman no gree enter, e comot. It was like a public disgrace. The boy feel bad for front of his friend. The woman no enter the house. He don go back to his village, go stay for his small hut. So why I give that example be say, if parents really dey want dey know the source, why whether their pikin dey do genuine things, dey live genuine life, this kind 419 and all those kind small things yahoo with all of them dey do, the something go still dey come down small. Most of them they contribute because they want make you they want make you be like as like different. That is, people will see, they go dey respect them, their name go dey reign. But anyway wey you take make am, that one no concern them, that one no be their problem. So I believe say na those one I still contribute to those things. I no know how you see this matter when I talk. Na the way wey me I see and now I talk am. If you get anything wey be say you wan add join this something, maybe you wan ask me question, or you don't understand, or you get your own contribution wey you wan add to, just leave your comment at the comment section below. And then if na question, I go answer you. If na contribution, people when they watch this video, they go still learn from am. And if you wan share this video, share am so that other people go still learn from wetin you still hear today. I thank you guys for taking your time to watch this video. Now here now go dey roll up, and then please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Give me a thumb up if you like this video and share it. Thank you. I hope to come your way soon again. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.